is something you live. The more emotion I put into it, the harder I rock. Rap is something you do. Hip hop is something you live. Something you live. Something you live. Something you live. Something you rap is something you do. Hip hop is something you live. The more emotion I put into it, the harder I rock. Rap is something you do. Hip hop is something you live.
Hey, what's up guys, Aditya here. There are tons of wired headphones available in the market, but you know, the future is wireless. However, we all know that the wired headphones are cheap and delivers much better audio experience. And you don't have to worry about charging it every now and then, like you have to do any Bluetooth ones. Today we'll be looking at a headphone that costs around $20 US or 1300 Indian rupees, and hopefully we'll find out if it's worth buying or not. Including a hard case with a budget earphone is a really good thing. I might not use it often as I find it irritating, but it does really come handy while traveling. So inside it we have the earphone. Well, that's a really nice demonstration to show us how to keep it well tucked inside. You get a clip and few different sized earbuds in case if you don't find the stock one comfortable enough. It's a pretty basic case with a little pouch where you can keep that clip or maybe a microfiber cloth. Do let me know what you're gonna keep inside in the comments. All in all, it's a pretty nice case. It also looks good. It comes in two colors. This one's the red and black one. There's also a complete black version if that's something you're into. Design wise, it looks quite okay. Build wise, there's nothing much to say here. I guess it's completely made out of plastic and it does look a bit cheap if you look it up close. It has some decent length wire, and in case you guys don't know, Blitzwolf produce some of the really strong cables, so hopefully I think this one also be strong enough to last at least a year or two. This thing, by the way, works really neat. It comes with a velcro and helps organizing the cable neatly. Comfort wise, it's not the most comfortable thing I've used, but it's decent. And there's nothing much that I can complain about either. So it holds up pretty well inside the ears. The tip stays right in the place. So these are the controls. Also, if you hold this button in the middle for a sec, it's gonna trigger the Google Assistant, which again is really good. I won't talk much about its microphone. It comes with a microphone and it works. That's it. You just can't expect anything more than that. Now coming on to the most important part, how does these sound? I tested it with couple of devices and with equalizers on and off. These are advertised as bass heavy budget earphones, which isn't wrong, because it does pack some punch. The bass or the lower frequency sounds superb in my opinion, but that does come with a sacrifice, and thus it struggles a bit with the mid and the higher frequency. The vocal sounds okay for the most part, but usually I like the clear vocals over the bass, but considering that it's aimed towards EDM and pop lovers where you don't care much about the vocals, it's gonna be really good. And when I say vocals are not good, it doesn't mean that it's downright trash. It's okay, but it could have been better in my opinion. The audio output is high. When I say high, that means it can go really loud. You can't listen to it over 70% of volume without getting your ears fatigued. Now of all the things, why did they choose to use the metal on the connector? I mean, they should have at least put a rubber grip or something, which would have been a lot easier to unplug this thing, because whenever I try to unplug it, my finger just slips off, and I might be nitpicking here, but it bugs me. Apart from that, it's a pretty basic 3.5mm gold plated jack and it works fine. All in all, it's a pretty solid earphones. I have the space heavy over the ear styled headphones from Sony, which sounds phenomenal by the way, but costs way more than this. These earphones may not sound phenomenal, but for the price, it's well worth a try. But if you're looking for an alternative with a low bass output, then have a look at these. It's from Xiaomi. I've been using these from last 5-6 months, and so far it's been pretty good. Actually, they sound pretty nice for the price. It lacks bass, but costs half the price of those Blitzwolf. If bass is something you're looking for, then you should go with the Blitzwolf. Or there's one from Sony as well, which costs a little more, I haven't used it myself, but the reviews are pretty good for it. I had its predecessor XB-30EX and they were great. I might also try out these. Now I've given all sort of options to you guys. Get the one you prefer. Personally, I feel like overall Blitzwolf ES2 is a pretty solid headphones. Now if you'd like to get one for yourself, then please consider buying it from our link, as it helps our channel and doesn't cost you any extra. I've also left the link for the Xiaomi and the Sony one. If you wish to get any one of those, then do let me know how are those. That's pretty much it for the video. Please leave a like, drop a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, as I have plenty of videos coming. Also hit that bell icon. I hope I'm not asking for a lot. See you in the next one. I hope I'm not asking for a lot. See you in the next one.